हेलो फ्रेंड्स वेलकम टू अमृता ट्यूटोरियल जमी आपण मैंने जानते सबू थरिक भाई न्यू न्यू वीडियो आपण नहीं आसी यही चैनल जदि आपण मैंने एपर्यंत सब्सक्राइब करना सब्सक्राइब करने सहित बेल आइकन जरूर हिट करते कारण जल्दी नोटिफिकेशन सहित आपण मैंने बहुत बढ़िया नॉलेज पाइपर जब बेसिक रूट रू नहीं आपण मन एवं यही ट्यूटोरियल सहित जोड़ाई चाहते आप सीटीटी रिलेटेड ओटीटी रिलेटेड सीटीटी आपको ओएसटीटी सीएचटी एचटीटी आपण मैंने जदि जेटी प्रिपेयर होगापी चाहूँगी यही चैनल को निहाती सब्सक्राइब करूँ सेमती आज गोटे नहीं आसी एक न्यू वीडियो जोटि कि आपंकर इंग्लिश ग्रामर को बहुत ही मजबूत कर पार कारण आपण मान समय बहुत ही कम किंतु यही यथार्थ समय भितर आपण को प्रिपेयर होगा पड़ो जेटी कारण आप जानते काली रिलीज हो जाए अलरेडी नोटिफिकेशंस एवं साथ ही साथ आपको जनवरी मसरे प्रिपेयर होगा पड़ो ओटीटी जदि प्रिपेयर होगा जानतु आज वीडियो इंग्लिश ग्रामर ने सिंगुलर प्लूराल वर्जन को लेकर पूरा आपको मो तरफ अनुरोध रोचे आपण मैंने वीडियो को आरंभ नहीं शेष पर्यटन देखु एवं जदि वीडियोटी कौन प्रकार खराब लगे तो आप निहाती आप कमेंट सेक्शन करेंगे तो आरंभ करवा सिंगुलर एंड प्लूराल वर्जन।
Let's start singular and plural. There are two types of noun number. One is singular, another one is plural. So first we discuss what is singular. Singular means one. And then plural. Plural means many or more than one. So the first rule of the plural and singular is the plural of most words is made by adding the letter s. Example, bag, bags, door, doors. So singular word is bag, bag. And when we convert this word to plural, then s is added to the bag, bags. The plural of most words is made by adding the letter s. So example, so how we convert the bag singular word in plural? When we add s after the word last, so this is converted to plural. Like this, door also added s. There are so many words like this. And rule number 2. We know that some nouns are end with ch, sh, s, double s, o or x. So how we know that how we convert these words to plural. So we should add es. We should add es when the word is end with ch, sh, s, double s, o or x. Example: mango, mangoes, bus, buses, hero, heroes, bus, bus, buses, buses, mango, mango, mangoes. So the last letter of mango is o, so we add here es to convert the word into plural. The bus is the last letter of bus is s, so we add here es to convert the word into plural. And the last letter of hero is o, so we add here es to convert the word into plural. And here the last letter is double s, so we add here es. And watch is also end with ch, so the word ch is the last letter of the watch, so here we add es to convert the word into plural. And here also the last letter of the box is x, so we should add here es to convert the word into plural. And here also. And the rule number 3 is so another rule is for nouns that end in f and fe, change f to v and add es, ves. So some nouns are end with f and fe. So we should f and fe. So we should convert the word into plural to use f to v and add es and ves. So see that the last letter of this noun is F. So what I told, change F to V. So F is the last letter, then we change the F into V, and then we add ES or VES. So there is VES. And the simple method is when the F is added in the last, so we convert F into V, then we add ES. Like here, F is the last letter, so we convert F into V, then we add ES. Here also same thing. And rule number 4. So rule number 4 is nouns that end with a constant plus y change to IES. So example, cherry. The cherry word is end with y. So here we add IES when we convert the word into plural. Then another example, baby. What is the last letter of baby? The last letter of baby is y. So what we add here? Babies. Another example, fly. And here is the last letter also y. So we add here flies. So like this, there are so many words which word is end with y. So there we add es. And here is some confusion about monkey. And here is also the word end with y. And here is also end the word with y. And here we see that here we add a s to convert the word into plural. So here we also add s to the word convert with plural. So how? See here before y, here is consonant. R is consonant, yes or no? Yes. So R is consonant, so we add here IES. But before this letter y, there is vowel, so we add there s. And here R, so we add here IES. So you should remember this, that when the letter y is end with one word, so the before y letter, if there is a consonant, then we add where IES. If the before the y letter there is a vowel a e I o u, so we add here s. Like another example, boy. Here also same thing, before the letter y there is a vowel, so we add here s. And day is also a is also a vowel. And ray also, this four are vowels, so we add here s. And rule number 6, a few nouns have the same singular and plural form. So see, dear, the word dear, there is no word to convert the word into plural. Sheep also, there is no letter to convert the word into plural. So we should not change the word when we convert this word to plural. So these four you should remember. And these are the common questions in your exam. Some students write here furniture means yes. No, that is wrong. So we should add here furniture means furniture. There is no change. So you should remember these words. And another now, last and 7th rule. Nouns that change their spellings. And tooth. Here is double E. Man. Some students write here man means s. No, man means man. So another word is child. Child means children. Children. So we should know about this. Nouns that change their spelling. So tooth. What is the plural of teeth? We all know tooth. The plural of tooth is teeth. We should confuse why here we add e, double e. So these some 5 words we should change in any case. Tooth means teeth. Man means man. Foot means feet. Mouse means mice. Child means children. So we know some chapters are there about mouse, Mickey Mouse, like this. But we should, when the word come to our exam, so we change this mouse word to mice. So thank you everyone. I hope you all learn well.